Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 28th of November. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. All right, let us have a look at what's happened in the markets overnight. From the US, we had the Chicago PMI number come in a little bit under the forecast at 46.3. US dollar, not much movement overnight. It's a very quiet week this week as we lead into Thanksgiving, so not much movement at all on that one. The only other data to be released overnight was from Australia, so it was local. It was construction work done, came in a little bit better than forecasted at negative 0.4%. Again, not much movement in yesterday's markets as the US holidays is clearly taking effect across all major currency pairs. That was all yesterday, so let us now look at our charts of the day. Well, actually, before I do that, let me give you a trade update. We had our winning trade yesterday. If you recall, I showed you the CAD yen last week at some point. We had set up with an engulfing candle and we said we are at a level of support. We've got a reversal confirmation in the way of these two candles and the trade triggered to go in this direction. Consequently, this is what's happened. There's the two candles that I called out last week and we've had this movement. There's our entry level, our stop, and there's our target. So we've actually hit target on that trade. So for those of you who did take the CAD yen, well done. Also our Aussie yen second entry is very close to hitting target. Not there yet. I will keep you posted on that. I still have a position running on that Aussie yen trade. Alright, let us now have a look at the chart that is this morning's chart. A little bit difficult to find anything at the moment, but this is the nicest thing that I have found. It is the Kiwi US dollar. We can see here, first of all, that there is a level of resistance. Markets come to this level a couple of times and bounced off. But I've also noticed that every time it comes down, it's coming down to a higher level, forming a converging triangle. So there's two types of trades that are possible here. One of them is the breakout trade. As the market is converging on itself and getting narrower and narrower, it can break up or break down, but the breakdown would be on this line. So as we are approaching this line right now, the two options are we either break through and go in this direction, or we produce a reversal pattern and we get an opportunity to go back down. As long as we've got enough room before we hit this line to hit our targets, then it's a trade that I will consider. So add this one to your hot list, Kiwi dollar daily timescale. I'll keep an eye on it as well. If anything develops on it, I'll make sure that I post something on that one. Alright, what's on the cards for the session which is about to kick off? We have this morning at 11 o'clock from New Zealand the ANZ Business Confidence number, and then the only other data for the session happens at 11:30 locally. It's our private capital expenditure numbers. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.